Welcome to my YouTube channel, your guide to visual art, where you can find out about artists and art movement. Viewers, today we are talk about the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood academic art. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood was an influential artistic movement that emigrated in mid 19th century England, formed in 1848 by a group of young artists, including Dante Gabriel Rossetti, John Everett Millers, and William Holman Hunt. The Brotherhood sought to reform the contemporary art scenes, which they perceived as being overly influenced by the academic style prevalent at the time. The academic art of the 19th century, characterized by its emphasis on idealized form and historical or mythological themes, was the dominant style taught in art academies. The Pre-Raphaelites rejected this approach, believing that art should return to the simpler and more scener aesthetic of the Pre-Raphaelite period before the high resonance artist Raphael. In their pursuit of a more authentic and genuine form of art, Pre-Raphaelites focused on meticulous attention to detail and a preference for vibrant. They often painted with a bright palette in contrast to the subdued tones of academic art. This emphasis on color and detail aimed to capture the vividness and realism found in medieval and early Renaissance paintings. The pre-Raphael Brotherhood was also characterized by his commitment to depicting nature accurately rather than relying on artistic conversation. The painted form life, observing and studying natural elements with great precision. The dedication to realism was a departure from the idealized landscapes and figures common in academic art. One of the distinctive features of pre-Raphaelite art in its emphasis on symbolism and narrative. The artist often drew inspiration from literature, poetry, and mythology, influencing their works with complex meaning and allegories. The use of symbolism allowed theme to convey messages and emotions beyond the surface appreciations of the painting. The Brotherhood's influence extended beyond painting to other artistic forms, including literature and design. They believed in the unity of the arts and collaborated on various projects that combined visual art with poetry and prose. Despite facing initial criticism and resistance from the artistic establishment, the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood eventually gained recognition and left a lasting impact on the art world. The rejection of academic conventions, the commitment to seniority and realism paved the way for later artistic movement. The legacy of the Pre-Raphaelite continued to be celebrated for its innovative approach to art and its contribution to the broader evolution of artistic expressions. Key characteristics of Pre-Raphaelite art and their departure from academic traditions include attention to detail. Pre-Raphaelite artists were known for their meticulous attention to detail in their painting. They aimed to capture the intricacies of nature, often including elaborate, realistic depiction of pale plants, animals, and clothings. With white color, the Pre-Raphaelite favored bright, vivid colors in contrast to the more muted and restreaming plate commonly associated with academic art of the time. Symbolism and narrative. Many Pre-Raphaelite work were rich in symbolism, often drawing on literature, mythology, and medieval themes. The artistic were keen on telling stories through their paintings, and their works often had a narrative quality. Naturalism, instead of idealized representation of subjects, Pre-Raphaelite artists sought to portray figures and scenes with a great degree of naturalism. They aimed for a more truthful and sincere representation for the world. Use of medieval and early Renaissance inspiration. The Pre-Raphael Brotherhood drew inspiration from medieval and early Renaissance art, which they believed had a purity and sincerity lacking in the art of their contemporary academic establishment. Rejection of academic conversation. The Pre-Raphaelites rejected the conventional academic hierarchy of genre, which portrays historical and mythological subjects over contemporary or genre scenes. They often painted scenes from literature, story, and everyday life with equal importance. While the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood was initially met with criticism, their influence grew over time and their ideas had a lasting impact on the development of British art. Some of the prominent Pre-Raphaelite artists, in addition to the founders, included Daniel Gabriel Rossetti, Christina Rossetti, Ford Madox Brown, and Edward Brown Jones. The movement extended beyond painting to literature, poetry, and decorative arts, contributing to the broader cultural and artistic landscape of the 98th century. Viewers, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.